The United States Geological Survey reported a magnitude 5.9 quake in Japan near Naha Shi, Okinawa, only 20 minutes ago. The earthquake hit around noon on Monday, May 1, 2023, at 12:22 p.m. local time at a shallow depth of 10.8 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from France's Acute National de Surveillance Sismique, RaSS, which listed the quake at magnitude 5.4. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the German Research Center for Geosciences (GFZ) at magnitude 6.0, and the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 5.9.